Facebook releases new Apple Watch messaging app. Facebook has released a new experimental app that lets users stay in touch with their close ones via Apple Watch. Dubbed Keep in Touch Kit, the app is now available to download from the App Store in supported regions. Kit is a messaging service that lets you send messages, voice recordings, emojis, location through Apple Watch, similar to iMessage. You can also use the voice dictation feature to convert speech to text input. However, what makes Kit stand out is that it uses Facebook's messaging protocol instead of relying on native solutions. Kit makes keeping in contact from your watch easy. Everything you need to compose a message is just one tap away. No more struggling to navigate a tiny screen to find the right option, reads the app description. Kit is developed by New Product Experimentation (NPE) Team from Facebook. NPE Team, LLC, is a developer name that Facebook will use to launch new apps focused on giving people entirely new experiences for building community. It will always be presented to people as NPE Team, from Facebook, says Facebook. Kit requires a Messenger account to get started. All you have to do is scan the QR code on your watch and pick a contact or enter an access code at fb.com/devices. With Kit, you can keep texting your friends or family without constantly picking up your iPhone. For now, Kit's availability is limited to Canada. However, we could expect the social media giant to expand the service if the initial rollout gets satisfactory engagement from Apple Watch users.